Founded in 1979, Stone Italiana is a company that represents the excellence of Made in Italy. Specializing in the production and selling of floor coverings, large surfaces and kitchen countertops, it operates in over 80 countries, offering innovative solutions to meet the needs of architects and designers. The company stands out for its constant innovation in research and development, with a strong commitment to sustainability. Its production today is based on top-quality recycled materials and crystalline silica-free formulas.
Stone Italiana aveva l'esigenza di definire un progetto di pianificazione e tracciabilità, con la volontà di digitalizzare i processi precedentemente gestiti in modo cartaceo che presentavano margini di incompletezza e difficoltà nella generazione di report, compromettendo l'efficienza complessiva.
The supply chain process is complex and consists of several sequential steps: arrival and storage of raw materials, production of the plates, transfer to another plant for finishing, possible customization and packaging, and finally storage in the warehouse for shipment. Combined with MES software, the tablets used along the production line now enable precise management of manufacturing defects, significantly reducing waste. In the event of anomalies, the system facilitates in-depth analysis and enables timely, targeted intervention. Production processes must be closely monitored by an operator, and finished products must be classified and labelled to ensure traceability.
Nell'ottica di introdurre la giusta tecnologia mirata al miglioramento delle performance, la soluzione hardware prevede l'utilizzo del tablet Fully Rugged F110 di Getac, in grado di resistere agli scenari critici dell'azienda.
The F110 tablet, integrated into the production line and logistics, is a key component of the technological solution. The complete traceability of materials and operations within the plant allows real-time monitoring of the position and status of plates throughout the production process. The digitalization processes has delivered numerous tangible benefits. For example, daily reports provide an overview of the plant's status, helping to identify and prevent potential issues, maintenance and decision-making. In logistics, shipment preparation time has been reduced by 30%. Quality control has also been enhanced. Reporting has been standardized, optimizing KPIs across departments and improving the analysis of operational performance.
Molto apprezzata è stata la garanzia totale di Getac di 3 anni bumper to bumper, che di serie prevede la copertura ai danni accidentali, tanto che l'azienda ha scelto di estendere la copertura ad altri 2 anni per ottimizzazione strategica anche del TCO.
Grazie alla soluzione totale di Getac, che include tablet e accessori come Havis Rugged Docking Station, siamo riusciti a raggiungere risultati che soddisfano pienamente il cliente e valorizzano l'impegno di tutte le parti coinvolte nel progetto.
The digitalization project involved numerous departments, making a rugged and reliable solution, essential to ensure control over daily operations. Getac's total solution proved to be the ideal choice to meet our needs and reflect our commitment to excellence.